fine, we'll get you your $1,000 and I'll book you on the next flight. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and reads the fine print, so I don't have to. That's why I follow her.
I think it's really important for you to read the fine print for two reasons. One, you can know what your rights are, and two, it could mean savings for you that you might not have known about if you hadn't read the fine print. Hi, my name is Erica Kohlberg. I'm a lawyer and the founder of Plug and Law, where we make legal things accessible for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Sometimes when an airline overbooks a flight, they might bump you from it, meaning that they won't have enough seats on the flight for you, so they'll ask you to go on to the next flight. And that's called involuntary denied boarding. And when that happens, you could actually be eligible for compensation, and it depends on how long of a delay is caused because you were bumped from that flight. So for instance, if being bumped causes you to have over a 2-hour arrival delay, then you could be eligible for up to 4 times the cost of your one-way fare. Let's say your one-way fare was $250, that means you could be eligible for $1,000. Another tip I discovered is you could save up to $400 off an Apple computer. Apple has this thing called Apple Education Pricing, where if you're a college student or a parent of a college student, or faculty, staff, or a homeschool teacher, you could save a lot of money on these Apple products. Another tip is with Amazon. If they provide a guaranteed delivery date and they don't make a delivery attempt by that date, you could get a full refund of any shipping fees you paid. Amazon has really good customer service, and I've had a lot of followers reach out to me saying that after their Amazon package was delayed, they reached out to customer service and they actually got a full or partial refund, or a free month of Amazon Prime, or a promotional credit to use for a future order. If you're flying with American Airlines and your flight is delayed because of something like a mechanical issue, then if you don't board by 11:59 p.m., American Airlines will actually cover the cost of your hotel for the night. This can be found in the conditions of carriage, which is basically the contract between you and the airline. Nike has a warranty where if it's been less than 2 years since the manufacture date of an item, so for a shoe you can find it right on the inside of the shoe, then they'll give you a full refund if it develops a flaw. Let's say your shoe develops a tear. A lot of customers have said that Nike has given them a full refund or a gift card for the same value or a brand new pair of sneakers. Every transaction in your life involves a contract, whether you're flying with an airline or buying a pair of shoes from Nike. So it's really important to read those contracts to know what your rights are.
Invest in you. Ready, set, grow. CNBC and Acorns.